Hello guys, welcome back to my IGTV. So I am back here again with another video, and there is no topic today. I just have few questions written down here and I'm going to answer them. So first question is, does crew has to clean the toilet? And answer is yes, you have to clean it, but not like the cleaner. You just have to maintain the washroom, you just have to maintain the hygiene, you just have to keep a check. Basically अगर मिड एयर में हैंड वॉश खत्म हो जाता है तो उसको रिफिल कौन करेगा? ऑब्वियसली क्रू करेगा. अगर मिड एयर में टॉयलेट पेपर खत्म हो जाता है तो उसको दोबारा से कौन लगाएगा? ऑब्वियसली क्रू लगाएगा. सेकेंड थिंग इज, जैसे ही आपका प्लेन लैंड होगा वैसे ही क्लीनर्स आएंगे, सो यू कैन आस्क देम टू क्लीन इट एंड दे रियली डू अ ग्रेट जॉब. सो द थर्ड कंडीशन इज दैट इफ वॉशरूम इज इन रियली बैड शेप, you cannot even see it. So what you have to do is you just have to lock the washroom and you have to leave it, and you can just keep a tag that it is not in use. Basically, if you lock it, no one will use it and no one has to see it and no one has to clean it. You cannot do it in every flight and in every situation. Now second question is that crew has to pick up heavy luggage and keep it in the overhead bins. So the answer is no, there is no hard and fast rule that you have to do it. But yes, अगर कोई pregnant lady है and कोई old lady है या कोई छोटा बच्चा है तो as a human being you can help and you can just keep it. But if there is a very heavy bag, it cannot be picked by you or someone in the flight, then while boarding you always get a loader in your flight and who can actually keep the bag and fit the bag in the overhead bins, and it's not crew's duty to do it, but yes, there is no harm helping someone. Third question is, does crew has to clean the vomit? So answer is it depends on situation. So guys, situation is कि अगर आपकी flight already हवा में है और किसी ने बीच आइल पे वॉमिट कर दिया तो what will you do? You will stay there and smell it? No, right? You have to do something about it. You can keep some tissue papers over it or anything which is available in your flight. If someone has done in the washroom like floor पे, तो obviously as I told you, you can just shut down the washroom and you can say it's not for use and it's done. Now fourth question is, does crew or people who are appearing for interview has to chop their hair? And the answer is no, not at all. Please don't do that guys. Just because आपको एक इंटरव्यू में जाके बैठना है इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप अपने बाल छोटे करवा लोगे. सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि गाइज हर एयरलाइन अपने क्रू को अपने हिसाब से स्टाइल करना चाहती है. अगर आप बाल कटवाना चाहते हो तो प्लीज वेट जब तक आपकी ज्वाइनिंग नहीं हो जाती. आपकी ग्रूमिंग सेशंस में आपकी एयरलाइन अपने हिसाब से आपको स्टाइल कराएगी और अपने हिसाब से आपको हेयर कट दिलवाएगी. नाउ फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन इज, क्रू कैन नॉट party. Nothing like that. Crew can party and this is what crew does all the time. Twist is you cannot drink alcohol before your flight, but if you do not have a flight or you have a long layover or if you are on your offs, you can definitely party, you can definitely drink, you can do whatever you want to do. Now sixth question is that does crew has to fly even if they are sick? There is nothing like that guys. You always have some sick leaves which you can redeem anytime if you are sick. Only thing is you have to prove that you are sick. I mean, you cannot do the drama that, oh, I have a fever and I cannot fly. Now, seventh question is, does crew has to sleep with captains for promotion? Oh my God, I don't know who has asked this, but this is truly false. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's your choice to sleep with someone or not to sleep with someone. It's definitely your decision. People just make wrong assumptions and wrong thoughts about crew. There is nothing like that. You will get promoted once you are done with your 2 recurrence. It depends on your airlines and the policies. Now ninth question is, can crew come home or not? This is true or false? This is totally false guys. आपको फ्री टिकट्स मिल ही क्यों रही हैं? इसलिए मिल रही हैं कि आप अपनी लीव्स एंजॉय करो, अपनी पीआई एंजॉय करो, अपने फैमिली के साथ कनेक्टेड रह पाओ, ना कि इसलिए कि आप उनको बैठ के देखो कि ओ माय गॉड आई हैव गॉट फ्री टिकट्स. देयर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट. यू कैन ट्रैवल व्हेनेवर यू वांट, बट आफ्टर टेकिंग परमिशन फ्रॉम योर कंपनी. आई यूज्ड टू ट्रैवल एवरी मंथ. नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन इज दैट क्रू कैन नॉट मैरी. दिस इज टोटली फॉल्स गाइज. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. अगर आपकी शादी होने वाली है और आप क्रू हो तो आप अपनी कंपनी में ये चीज इन्फॉर्म कर सकते हो, बता सकते हो और शादी कर सकते हो. इनफैक्ट आपको शादी करने के लिए एक्स्ट्रा लीव्स मिलेंगी कि यू आर गेटिंग मैरिड, सो एंजॉय योर हनीमून एंड एंजॉय योर मैरिज. So there is nothing like that. If you are getting married, you just have to inform. Now another question is, crew cannot get pregnant. There is nothing like that guys. आप शादी भी कर सकते हो, आप बेबी भी कर सकते हो, आपको जो करना है आप कर सकते हो. जैसे आपको शादी करने के लिए लीव्स मिलती हैं वैसे आपको अगर आप प्रेग्नेंट हो तो एक्स्ट्रा लीव्स भी मिलती हैं. बहुत सारे ऐसे रूल्स हैं जो आपको हेल्प करेंगे आपकी प्रेगनेंसी में और साथ ही साथ अर्न करने में भी. So guys, if you have any more questions like this, you can ping me anytime. I tried my best to answer. I tried my best to clear all your doubt. You can just let me know if you have any more doubts. And yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.